color harmonies. Analogous color harmony. This color harmony implies the use of color lying close to each other on the color wheel, such as red, mauve, and purple. Such color harmonies, well, if not widely separated in spectrum, or else they may clash, creating restlessness and stimulation. Use of judicious amount of colors lying adjacent to each other on the color wheel implies dignity and spaciousness. Analogous color schemes, such as 3 colors that are next to each other on the color wheel, they usually match well and create serene and comfortable designs. Analogous color schemes are often found in nature and are harmonious and pleasing to the eyes. Hues and tints of these 3 colors blend very well. Tips for using the analogous color schemes. Ensure that sufficient contrast is available. Choose one color to dominate, second to support, and third to accent. Complementary color harmony. This color harmony is achieved by the use of 2 colors which lie directly opposite to each other on the color wheel, such as yellow and purple, or red and green. However, right judgment with regards to the selection of colors and their quantities is essential to get desirable results. One color looks good in the presence of a small amount of its complement rather than in equal proportion. The best rule to follow is to use the complement of a color sparingly so as to set off the original color. Colors that are directly opposite each other on the color wheel are complementary colors. The high contrast of complementary colors create a vibrant look. The colors must be managed well so as not to clash. Tips for using complementary color scheme. Should be used only in small quantities. Work well when prominence is required. Split complementary color harmony. The split complementary scheme is a variation of the complementary color scheme. This harmony involves the use of 3 colors in addition to the base color. It uses the 2 colors adjacent to its complement. This scheme has the same strong visual contrast as the complementary color scheme. It consists of the use of a single hue along with 2 hues lying adjacent on either side of its true complement on the color wheel. Thus, the use of true complement is omitted. For example, this harmony implies the use of blue with red-orange lying to the left of orange, the true complement of blue, and yellow-orange lying to the right of orange. Tips for using split complementary color scheme. It is easier to work with and therefore less chances of messing up. Triad color harmony. A triad color scheme uses colors that are evenly spaced around the color wheel. This is also quite a vibrant color scheme. Here 3 colors are used together to get a harmonious effect. It is a harmony of colors which are at the vertex of an equilateral triangle superimposed on the color wheel, such as green, orange and purple. By moving the triangle on the wheel, the two triadic harmonizing colors of any hue can be determined. For example, if the triangle is moved so that one point is at yellow, green, it is found that red, orange and blue, purple are the colors to combine with yellow, green for triadic color harmony. Tips for using triadic color scheme. The colors should be carefully balanced. Let one color dominate the use of the other two for accent. Monochromatic color harmony. The monochromatic color schemes uses only one color with all its tints, shades and tones. This harmony is achieved by the use of different tints or shades of one hue or color. It is a color harmony obtained by the judicious use of different amount of a single color. This color harmony is often termed as monotonous. However, if effectiveness is achieved, then it provides a subtle and glamorous background. Here the major color is allowed to predominate and the sequence of shades and tints is gradual. It is so usual to add a small amount of the complementary or contrasting color for accent that it is suitable for a very vivid personality. Tips for using monochromatic color scheme. Difficult color scheme. One has to try all possible shades, tints, tones while working with it. Tetradic. The tetradic color scheme uses 4 colors into 2 complementary pairs such as red, purple, green, yellow. That is number 1st, 3rd, 7th and 9th on the color wheel. This rich color scheme offers plenty of possibilities. Achromatic. This color scheme uses only the different shades of black, white and grey without using any other color. Tips for using the achromatic color scheme. This is a very difficult color scheme and requires a real balance of black and white. Neutrals. In this scheme, only one color with its various shades and tints is used. Black and white is added to this color to make combinations. This is also a very soft color scheme and gives a very serene effect. The colors, greys, browns, beiges and all the indeterminates ones are often dismissed as unimportant. However, they have a vital role to play. They act as a foil for the bright colors and provide a framework for them. The trouble with neutrals is that it is hard to know which color to start mixing, as they are often difficult to analyze. A good way of neutralizing a color is to use its complement. Complementary colors are those that are opposite each other on the color wheel: red and green, violet and yellow, orange and blue. When these pairs of vivid opposite colors are mixed together, they cancel each other out, making subtle neutrals that vary according to the proportions of the colors used. Primary. This is the combination of the pure hue of red, yellow and blue, a very vibrant scheme, and has similar use of working as the complementary scheme. Secondary. This is a combination of the secondary hues of green, purple, orange. This is less vibrant, a little softer than the primary scheme.